Hey everyone, welcome to Coding Simplified, and today we'll see that given an array elements, let's say if you want to join them with a particular value, so how we can join them, right? So let's say here I have this 4 1 2 3 4 and I want to join them like this, that join them using an hyphen, right? Or I can have like join them using an comma or join them using an asterisk and whatever you want, right? So what we can do, the syntax is that you say that whatever your array is, join all the element using hyphen or using dash and then assign them into result. So that is why you can see that when we have printed result, it is giving you 1 hyphen 2 hyphen 3 hyphen 4, right? Now let's say it says you can join them by using comma. So if you run them, you can see that it has joined using 1 2 3 4, right? So this is how we can join any array. Now again, you can whatever you want you can have. So let's say if you have this one, you can see that it is basically joined using 1, then 4 star, then a 2, then again star, then 3, then again star, right? So that's it guys about this video. It's very easy but very good one, and if you have any doubt regarding it, please write in the comment section. And that's it, and if you have liked the video, please like it and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.